everyone, Mario here from Share Your Outdoor Adventures, and welcome to my page. As you know, I'm very new to this, so bear with me as I stumble my way through the video, but I do appreciate you tuning in. Please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button below for future videos, and this video is going to be a brief tutorial just on how to use the personal portable power pack we've put together. Also a shout out to JDS Outdoors. I'll put a link below for his page. He has provided a very in-depth walkthrough on how to build one of these boxes. So what we've done is I've used a Plano Field Box model number 1612. The box is currently using a 12 volt 9 amp per hour battery. I'll be uploading a build video of my variation in the future. So how does the box work? This is what I'm currently using the box for. Okay, so for this build, what we've done is we've gone ahead, we have 5 switches. One is our main power switch, 4 independent accessory switches. We've got a dual USB port set up for cell phones, speakers, anything else you want to run off USB. You got a 12 volt lighter cigarette adapter port and 2 sets of banana jacks. Also the voltmeter to go ahead and tell us what our remaining charge is. So box has arrived, very nice and simple. We're just going to go ahead and drop our battery into the box. Find your loose positive and negative terminals. Connect them. Put all your wires back in the box. Close it up. Main power is now on. 12.7 is what we're registering for the power currently. You've got your LED ports, lights set up. This switch is going to power our dual USB. Comes with an LED light as well to let you know that it is powered and running. This one's going to run our 12 volt cigarette lighter inverter adapter. Still gives me another cigarette lighter to work with. Also gives me a 12 volt plug and an additional USB in case I need it. And then the last switch is going to run our terminal posts. Because I fish at night, I like to be able to have some bait lights. So for the bait lights, positive and negative to the terminal posts, positive and negative to the terminal post. Now, we'll go ahead and leave that one on just so it shows. Next, we're going to run the fish finder itself. Power up the fish finder, make sure it works. And we're good with the fish finder. Now, we dropped down to 12.4. It's still fine. You can always upgrade the battery if you need to. I'm eventually going to go ahead and upgrade to a larger size battery. Right now it's a 12 volt 9 amp battery. It's fine for the testing, fine for running what I want to do. For the fishing, I'm going to go ahead and upgrade the battery size. I'm probably going to look into going into a lithium battery. But that's your switches. That's the box itself. Any questions? Feel free to comment below. Feedback, feel free to comment below. Thank you very much for tuning in. Once again, this was Mario with Share Your Outdoor Adventures. Everyone have a wonderful day.